Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do another little vlog of living in Colorado, but getting my life together because there's so much I need to do. So yeah, let's get into it. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D, and we're gonna be getting my life together today. There's a lot of stuff I need to do. Look at the laundry room. We got a mess everywhere and we're gonna take care of it. And by the way, if I look crazy, I did take a Zumba class this morning, so yeah. It was so good though. I highly recommend. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Diana. I go by D, and I post all types of vlogs, hair related stuff. Just living in Colorado because that's where I'm at right now. But yeah, we're gonna get my life together, starting with over here. One thing about Colorado, bro, it's so cold, so I always have to layer up. So I just feel like I never catch up on laundry. Like, it's literally impossible for me to not have dirty clothes. And I don't know if you're like me, but laundry already, like, I already take forever when it comes to even doing laundry and putting it away. Okay, all the clean clothes is put away. I actually cleaned my vanity area yesterday, so that's clean, so I don't have to do that. We're gonna make the bed. I don't know, why is like keeping stuff clean actually so hard? Like, I don't know. I don't understand. Right now I'm actually sleeping with 3 blankets. So we got my OG little horse one first. And then we got our heavy duty one. And then this is our 3rd blanket. Yay! What do y'all do? Do y'all make y'all's bed every single day? Or no? Me, I honestly don't make it every day. I make it like maybe once a week. So I feel like I just started cleaning, but I'm already hungry. So I want to make a waffle. I haven't made one in a really long time. So I have my protein pancake mix, milk, my waffle maker. I'm editing a video on my TikTok of me skating because y'all know like the Super Bowl was yesterday and Usher had skaters out there. That part, loved it. So I'm editing this video of me skating from the other day. And I'm like, oh, why didn't Usher ask me, you know? And I kind of want to organize this because this is all just like on the floor and it's not really anything important. It's just chilling here. Pelotas, no sé ni pa' qué. I'm pretty sure this is a massage gun. Literally. Like stuff that you don't even remember you have. I need to put this in the living room so I can massage myself at night. Okay, now I'm starting to get a little hot. Okay, so I think what I need to do is organize my shoes because, let's be real, I don't wear a lot of them. And I can probably get rid of them, like realistically, you know? I'm actually gonna go get all the shoes that I have even just laying around and just put them all here. So that way they're all in this area and I can go through them all at once. So I'll be right back. Okay, I actually just got these ones from Shein. Let me show you. I haven't even worn them yet. But they're so cute. I got a black pair. It's like kind of like edgy cowgirl is like the vibe I get from them. I do really like though because like the detail in the front kind of gives it like the cowgirl-ish vibe, but I like the thick platform that is just so in right now. And I got these ones because I wanted a new white pair of boots. We'll start at the bottom since I'm already down here. These are classic little shoes. These are also Pumas. These ones are from Shein also, and they've lasted me like 3 years. I should probably get rid of them. They're so old. But will I? I don't know. I just feel like if I clean them, they're gonna be brand new. Honestly, I should get rid of these. I don't ever wear them. I don't know where I wore them that they got this dirty. So these I just need to clean them. Why are my shoes always so dirty? I don't understand. These boots. Honestly, I did wear them the other day and I didn't like them. So does that mean I should get rid of them? I'm trying to squish them together so I can make room. I think every girl owned a pair of these. Literally, I was on Twitter like girls at a party and everybody had these pairs of shoes on. These are just like my little OG black Adidas. These are just like my little OG chanclas that I used to wear when I was doing hair in Texas because they are actually the comfiest shoe I literally own. I don't know what brand they are. I never wear them here, but I still have them. I have these cowgirl boots up here. I wish we could wear jeans to work because I would totally wear these more often. Okay, so now let's put these. Maybe I should just give it its own row. Some here. Okay, yay, my shoes are organized. Now they're not literally everywhere. This is what I need to do once a week because I wear shoes and then I just leave them here and there. I gotta leave in like an hour, so I should probably go take a shower, not gonna lie, because I have an errand to run and then I want to go to the grocery store afterwards. And my errand is in an hour exactly. So okay, yeah, that's what I should do. Okay, I'll take a shower and then when I get out, we'll fold the clothes and then we'll go and I'll go to the grocery store, all that stuff after. I'm debating if I want to go ahead and braid my hair like 2 decent braids because I do have hockey tonight, so if it's already done, I don't have to worry about it for later. Braids are done. Okay, so we got like just enough time for me to do my clothes. So let's do that. I'll take this bag for groceries. So I came to my appointment because I had an appointment, right? Just got done. And then I went to 2 thrift stores that are over here because I don't really come to like the west side of town. Bruh, tell me why both of the thrift stores that I went to were just the donation centers, not actual thrift stores. I'm like, really driving around, wasting gas for nothing. It's not that big of a deal. But I do want to go to the thrift store because, so if y'all don't know, my husband plays hockey, right? I mean, I play hockey too, but I'm not good. Like, I just play for fun. He actually plays and like competes, right? And he's going on a trip next month, so in March. And I want to make him like a cool little like USA jacket type of thing. There's this girl, I don't know her name, but her husband plays for the 49ers and she makes all types of clothes. She does all this really cool stuff. And so like I'm getting inspired because if y'all don't know, I have a sewing machine. I just haven't pulled it out of its box in months and I really want to. And I feel like this is like the perfect little opportunity. Like if I make him a little like USA type looking jacket, because he's gonna like represent USA obviously. So I'm thinking I want to go to the thrift stores and just find anything USA, even if it's just like little patches or like whatever. I can like cut them up and like add them to a jacket. I don't know what I'm thinking yet, but that's my plan. Oh, I'm just looking right now. Okay. I'll let you know. Thank you. Girl, just shout. Okay, thank you. This thrift store is so freaking cute. And there's a place right here that's called Zapata Mexican Taco Shop. I don't know how good that is, but I kind of want to get a taco to go because I am very hungry. So I got this lemon blueberry. This was $3.50, this little tiny slice. So when I make my banana bread and start selling it, I'm excited though. It does look good and it looks nice and soft. But I'm going to go in here and see if I can order just like one taco. Okay, I'm going to eat in the car because I didn't want to eat in there. Okay, let's see. I'm excited because it does smell good. Oh, it is all over here, but it's fine. The mild aguacate salsa and the spicy red salsa. I put both salsas on it. Chill. I haven't had a carne asada taco in a long time too. Hold on, let me put more salsa though because it wasn't really spicy. Not bad. I've had better, but it's pretty good. Okay, so tell me why I actually found a bazillion USA things in there. And this bag. I need like a bigger bag that's a little more sturdy. That way, this isn't my bag. I don't even know where this is from. Texas Baptism. I found so many cool shirts that say like USA stuff on them. I'm so excited.
Look at this.
Okay, cheers.
Already dropped the blueberry. It's pretty good. Definitely not as good as yours.
I thought it was gonna be a little sweeter, not gonna lie. Yeah, not as good as mine.
Yeah, not at all.
What do you rate it 1 out of 10?
Like a 5 or 6.
Same.
Are you ready?
I'll count it. Oh, I don't count it.
We're home. We played decent though. I mean, I didn't record both of our games. My camera was like halfway charged only, and I'd rather record the women's team, not gonna lie. But we look cool out there with our pink jerseys. So yeah, the first game we won like 5-4, and that's like the co-ed team I'm on, and then the ladies team we lost, I think it was like 6-2, but we did do pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So because this video is already at a decent length, I'm gonna do a part 2 tomorrow, so look out for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.